Hello, welcome to a visual walkthrough of the experiences I learned with Amazon Web Services. The contents of this video will be Module 2, working with the virtual machine, launching, connecting, and terminating it. Module 3 will be Virtual Private Cloud, creating a virtual private cloud and dealing with subnets. Module 4 will be Virtual Machine Instance Security, setting up security group protocols to control incoming and outgoing traffic and working with key pairs. Module 5, Cloud Storage, dealing with simple storage service, S3 buckets. And Module 6 is dealing with cloud monitoring, learning how to send notifications via email about situations dealing with your cloud platform. Beginning in Module 2, we are launching an EC2 instance. This screenshot shows that an instance has been launched. The next step would be to remotely access that EC2 instance. This is showing that it's been remotely accessed to Secure Shell. And then we must learn how to terminate the instance to keep from accruing charges for an instance being open. In Module 3, we begin with launching a virtual private cloud with a single subnet. Some subnet and networking questions relating to the virtual cloud. Here's a screenshot of us adding another subnet to our original virtual private cloud. So now we have two subnets, subnet 1 and subnet 2. In Module 4, we learn to deal with security groups. We learned that security groups are protocols used to create and then allow or deny access to certain areas of the cloud. This is an ICMP allow clearance because when you try to ping an instance, by default, it doesn't allow that traffic to come through, so you have to allow that. So we had to go in and create a security group clearance to allow ICMPs to be allowed so that we could ping a EC2 instance. This video shows that the EC2 instance was correctly had the security group applied to it, and the pinging and that blue screen there shows that the ping was successful. Cloud storage, Module 5, bucket encryption. This is a quick knowledge check. If you do not specify or do any encryption at all, the Amazon Web Services will do a default encryption service on buckets. This is a video or a clip of us trying to upload a picture into a S3 bucket, and access was denied because the default block public access option was not changed. This is showing how to change your default public access for uploading into a bucket. Changing permissions. This screenshot shows the permissions or access control list. By granting access to the ACL, we were able at this point to upload a file into the S3 bucket. And here's proof of uploading a file into the S3 bucket. It's a picture. Once you or if you don't need S3 buckets anymore, they have to be completely emptied out before they can be deleted. You can't delete a bucket if it's not empty. So first of all, you need to delete all the objects in the bucket. This is a screenshot. and then you'll need to delete the bucket itself. Module 6, we're now learning to do automation. So we're launching an EC2 instance here with the ICMP4 IP4 security group authorization that we did earlier so that we could ping an EC2 instance. This is a picture of a confirmation from a subscription. So we subscribed to notifications, so if anything happens to our cloud platform, we'll be notified by email, which is showing right here, endpoint, hyperlightemail.com. If anything happens to our cloud platform services, it will send an alert to our email. Once we have set up a topic, what's called a topic, which is a point of concern, basically. This is a ping topic. We want to see if anybody's pinging into our website. So we created a topic called a ping topic. And then we sent a test message to my email to see if it worked. This is a test message for the AWS NSS system logs. This is setting up a monitoring system. You can monitor all the important points of a cloud platform service. Notice that there's a gap in all of these. What had happened was I had let my session expire, and then when I realized it, I reopened the session. Therefore, I gained a new public IP4 address. It had changed, and a new session had started. This is an alert to a test to see if once we get more than 1,500 bytes of data, that it will send us an email message saying, hey, your traffic is higher than normal. And the last thing is a challenging question about automation and SNS notifications and monitoring. These are all the ways that you can be alerted for any changes in your cloud platform situation. You can do SMS. I tried to do SMS through my phone, and it didn't allow it. I think there needs to be some kind of, I need to sign up for something, or the college account doesn't allow it. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in my skills, please feel free to navigate to the contacts button on the home page and drop me a line. I am always willing to help and solve any issues, whether I know them or not. Thank you.